Hey guys, Stephen Fielders here, back in the garage. Today we're looking at Big Country's WIDESIDER Step Bars, and with Big Country we have Ben. How you doing, Ben?
I'm doing great, thanks for having me.
Thanks for coming in today. So Ben, tell us more about the WIDESIDER here.
So today the particular WIDESIDER that we're going to be talking about is the WIDESIDER 2. It's a 6-inch surface board that you can mount. It uses our Super Grip step pads for a no-slip feel when you're stepping on it. It is available in 2 different finishes. This particular one is a polished stainless steel, but it's also available in a textured black as well.
Now what kind of warranties do you offer on those 2 finishes, if you do?
So for polished stainless steel, it comes with a lifetime warranty. Any of the textured black bars, those come with a 5-year warranty.
Very good. And these are all made of steel, I'm assuming.
That's correct. And for any customers that are interested in knowing is, this is a no-drill application. We use an OEM style bracket. It's much wider than what you see with a lot of competitors that just use a flat steel. So it gives it more of an OEM look. It's a no-drill application. Uses all the existing factory provisions.
Great. So for our viewers at home, this sounds like a pretty straightforward install, but if we were going to give this a rating from say 1 to 10, and then maybe even a timeline, what would you rate this install at?
For a person doing it at home with hand tools, probably a 4 in terms of timeline. 45 minutes to an hour at most should be expected.
So not bad at all. Viewers at home, if you did want to do this installation, it sounds like you can do this in pretty short order with some basic tools around the house. But if you do have any hesitations, as always, check the description below the video. You can find a dealer locator there to find a dealer who would be more than happy to make this installation happen for you. Now you can also use the description for more than just the dealer locator. You can also find the part number there, but you can also use that dealer locator again to make this purchase decision as well. Now before we close, Ben, thank you again for coming in today.
Thanks for having me.
It's been a pleasure.
Likewise.
Now guys at home, if you liked the video, leave us a like. If you love the video, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications anytime we release a new video. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Total Truck Centers in the Garage.